moving on to buttons, which are much more interesting. Let's see what we have here for buttons. So we have primary blue, primary dark, and secondary. Therefore, we do the same thing. Actually, there's no point in keeping the button primary class at this stage, so we can overwrite it directly with the one we need. Primary blue. That's what it was called. Primary blue? That's correct. First, we'll see what we have on the parent class. Since everything on the parent class and all buttons have the same radius with the border, we can just apply this radius of 48 to the parent. Okay, what else is notable that repeats everywhere? There's the focus state. Please note that this state is about keyboard focus, not regular focus. So we'll style only keyboard focus in Webflow. Since it repeats on all buttons, we'll take it here. Just do focus on keyboard. Okay, let's see. Width 1 offset 3, let's say, and primary info 300. Okay, and then what about transitions and shadows? Shadows can all be removed. Transitions can be removed.